Hey yarn friends, welcome back to LlamaMamaKayla's Yarn Tube. Today is Vlogmas Day 9 for me. I know I'm still behind. I did not film yesterday. What happened was, I sound like said I didn't know. What happened was, the boys left for work. Jody was back there in the den watching TV, laid back in his chair relaxing because it was his first day off. And I was sitting in there crocheting, and I was just kind of getting a little drowsy. So I thought, well, I'm going to go lay down a couple hours, and then I'll get up and video. And those birds are getting loud. Mm-hmm. I'll get up and, make a video. Y'all, I did not wake up till 9:30 last night. And so I come walking out of the bedroom and walked through the den, and he was like, oh, you're alive. Like, I could have been like they're dead, and he wouldn't even known.
I heard you roll over every now and then, so I knew you were okay.
Yeah, oh well. Okay, so, oh, y'all, calm down. I get a little rowdy. Okay, so, here is the purple I added into the blanket. Wow, I don't mean to run you off there, Dad. I love that minty green in between the blue and the purple. Doesn't that just pop? It looks beautiful. So that purple made it around almost a full time. Almost. But it's looking so pretty. What do you think, Dad?
That does look good. But the bigger it gets, the more you're going to have those partial rounds.
Right, and Terry's is already at the size where her balls aren't making it all the way around. So that's what we got, and let's see what color we're going to add to this today.
Dun, dun, dun. Give me open that one.
Well, Terry's tape is really, really strong. I just have to share the bag because her tape is like industrial strength. Oh, wow. Beautiful bright yellow. Wow, look at that. Ooh, won't that be pretty next to that purple? Yes.
LSU.
Yeah, that'll look LSU. That is beautiful. I can't wait to add that in. That's a nice big ball. It might go, that's probably an ounce ball. Because we did our balls between like half an ounce and an ounce. So that one's probably a whole ounce. So it'll go all the way around. Wow. That'll be pretty.
You can go up against that green too.
Yeah, that'll look good. All right. So, and the other blanket that I was working on, remember, I'm also doing this little Christmas blanket. Just something extra to work on this month. Here, you ain't gotta move, Dad. It's okay. This Christmas blanket here. And so I was talking to you guys about it in the last video and asking about, how would it look if it got scrappy now? And so, I don't know. I really, after 25 rows, I was thinking it might look weird to start getting all scrappy with it. And so I was just kind of undecisive what to do. And then Angela Mann, thank you very much for your comment. She reminded me of something I already wanted to do. She said, why not just make some granny squares to put around it and add to it to make it bigger? Yes, great idea. I've been wanting to do that. I don't know why I didn't think of it. I have lots of pictures pinned on Pinterest of blankets like that because I wanted to do a blanket like that. Didn't even think about it. So thank you, Angela. Man, I appreciate that. So I've been making some squares. This is what I did yesterday. Or last night after I woke up from my long winter's night. I started making some squares that I'm going to attach to this blanket. So I made these in 6 rounds. Oh, she's crying. Phoebe, why are you crying? So I made these rounds, and I just used colors that I used in the blanket. So, and that one I was trying to look like a poinsettia. I know it probably don't, but whatever. And then that one is a red and white, and yes, that's the first time I used a darker red. pretty dark. This one here. And here. Okay, so that's what I got made so far, and I think I need... Phoebe, why are you crying? I think I need 5 of these to go along the side, and then I'm going to need some 2 round squares, and then 4 across the top, and some 2 round squares. Phoebe's just crying. She wants to get up here. Oh. What is it, baby? Well, the other dogs are all in here running around, so I'm not going to give her a treat. I did get a Christmas card in, so let me share that with y'all. Phoebe, what?
Let me open it up.
Yeah, once you get into it. Let's see.
It's a Thomas Kincaid card.
Oh, yeah, it's beautiful. Oh. It is really pretty. And this is from Michelle. Thank you, Michelle, so much. It says, warmly thinking of you and wishing you a very Merry Christmas. Hugs and love to you, Michelle. Thanks, Michelle. I appreciate that so much. I love getting the cards in the mail. So that was a nice surprise. But anyway, I'm going to go and work my yellow into my scrappy blanket. And I'm just enjoying that project so much. It's so fun to see what color is going to go next. And then I'll probably work on granny squares to add to this blanket. This Christmas blanket for a little bit. But anyway, guys, we will see you all soon. I appreciate you watching. Dad, thanks for sitting here with me. Can you reach up and hit the button to start recording?
Sure can.
All right. Bye, guys.